And let me just sum up for you the latest figures put out by the Health Ministry as far as coronavirus cases in India is concerned. Unfortunately, there's been no let-up in the record surge, and that's why at this point active cases have gone up to 9,10,319. This after 1.26 lakh cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. The death toll has now gone up to 1,66,862. Recoveries has in fact crossed the 1 crore mark. It's at 1,18,51,393. In the second wave, the last 3 days, we've seen over 3 lakh cases. The last 24 hours, the data that's been put out by the Health Ministry, over 1.26 lakh cases, and that's what's led to those alarming figures as far as active cases are concerned. But let me just sum up for you what the situation is in different states across the country. Why are we seeing the situation so grim? What's led to the second wave of coronavirus cases? So India's added over 5 lakh COVID-19 cases in the last 5 days. The country has reported over 1.26 lakh cases in the last 24 hours. Maharashtra is the worst affected, the worst hit state. It's broke its own pandemic record after it reported nearly 60,000 new cases in just one day. With this, the active case tally in the state has breached the 5 lakh mark. Delhi has also witnessed a huge surge in its coronavirus tally. Over 5,506 new cases in the last 24 hours have been reported, and that means that the infection rate in Delhi stands at 6.10%.
Delhi reeling under the new wave of the COVID pandemic as more than 5,500 cases of the coronavirus were detected in only the last 24 hours, with 20 deaths in the capital. The city is making sure that people follow the masking and distancing norms, with 1,700 challans issued by 4 p.m. yesterday. However, people still seem to be taking this pandemic lightly, with most people who have been challaned saying that we can't breathe, or we just forgot that the mask has to be put up properly. In the meantime, the central government has also asked the Delhi government to step up vaccinations, as only 71% of the healthcare workers have been vaccinated so far. In New Delhi with cameraman Rakesh, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Maharashtra on Wednesday reported about 59,900 COVID cases with 322 COVID deaths. Maharashtra now accounts to about 56% of the total active caseload of the entire country. Mumbai has reported more than 10,000 cases and 23 COVID deaths. Given the number of cases and rising fatalities due to COVID vaccination, now the war of words between the state and the center has begun, where the Maharashtra state is saying they don't have enough vaccination to continue the drive for next 3 to 4 days, whereas center is saying that there is no optimum utilization of the vaccination dose provided till now. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.